everyone. In this video, we will learn web scraping with help of Auto Scrapper library in Python first, and then we will learn how we can transfer this data in Excel sheet. Yoshops.com is online retail store which provide wide variety of products and services as you can see here. On this accessories category, you can see there are subcategories books, stationery, bags, etc. With help of Python, we can scrap this data and transfer it in Excel like this. This way, this data is in organized form. We can see price, discount price of different categories under different heading. So we will see how we can scrap this data. First, for this, you need to open your PowerShell window and type pip install auto scrapper as I have done here. You can see. Like this. Then you need to open Jupyter on which you can type from auto scrapper import auto scrapper. URL for this I have taken is of PlayStation here. In toys category, first subcategory is of PlayStation. URL will change according to products. For example, now you can see URL of PlayStation. If I go on drones, it will change to drones. So now this URL is of drones. So from which web page we want to scrap data, we will insert that URL link here like this. Then I will copy from here. I'll go to PlayStation. Then I will copy the first product with price like this. Will copy this and I will paste this here in this format. After running these three codes, I will define my scrapper is equals to auto scrapper and result is equals to scrapper.build URL and wanted list. My wanted list is this, URL is this. Now I will print the result. After this, I will type this scrapper.get result similar URL group is equals to true. Now from that web page, I can see all the information here. After this, like here we got all the information from web page. Now we need to organize it in such a form that whenever a person insert URL link of PlayStation, they will get Excel sheet. So for this, we will import pandas as PD. We will define this variable ply is equals to a PlayStation list with, we have to follow this format here. PlayStation price, PlayStation discount price, and we have to organize it in such a way. Only then we can form data frame of this variable. After forming data frame, we will transfer this data frame to Excel sheet like this. These three codes will help us to make data frame and transfer this data in Excel sheet. Now I have inserted a condition here. Link is my variable and I am asking user to input a value. Now if my link is equals to this link https yoshops.com PlayStation, then automatically Excel sheet for PlayStation will be generated. In second part, we will see how we can make exe file of this like this. Now I can show you here that if I insert link of PlayStation here, an Excel sheet will be generated here. Here, see PlayStation info. My Excel sheet for PlayStation is generated here. I have done coding for other products also. Now I can also insert different categories like mobile phones. And when I will insert my link here, Excel sheet of mobile phone is here now. In second part, we will learn how we can make exe file of this. Thank you so much.